Okay. Okay. Right. Everyone see yesterday what problem we have to stop. Now we are going to continue in that problems. So yesterday we are going to discuss the problems of the see everyone. So we are going to discuss the yesterday third problem, that is the 8 plus double 8 plus 8 plus double 8 plus. That problem we have to start. We have to complete it the long procedure. But I am going to tell the JE model. For that one, everyone see. Board is clear now, everyone? Board is clear now? No problem regarding board. Okay. Right. Everyone see the first, I am going to the short method. So, in this problem, we are going to take n is equal to 2. N is equal to 2. N is equal to 2 means first two terms should be added for the problem. First two terms should be added. So, that is the 8 plus 88. Its value will become as a 96. Okay, na? Verify the options. First option place n place put 2, second option n place put 2, third option n place put 2. What is the 96 we are getting? That is the correct answer. Okay, na? So which answer we are getting? The 96, that is the correct one. It is clear, everyone? So now I am going to see third option I am going to take. Third option is, so they see the third option is 8 by 81. 8 by 81. Everyone see the third option. 8 by 81 into, what is the problem is the third option is 10 power of n place is the 2 plus 1 minus 9 into n place is the 2 minus 10. Now check, we get the 96 is the value in the third option. Everyone check 8 by 81. This is the 1000 minus 18 minus 10. Okay, na? Right, 28 we subtract. 28 we can be subtract. So now 88 by 81 into 100 minus 28. Why to put, right, Abhay, very good. Question is, why to put n is equal to mean? N is equal to verification for doing the problem. So we are taking the n is equal to 2 for mathematical induction. N is equal to 1, we are doing the mathematical induction. N is equal to 1, n is equal to 2. In the same way, we can take n is equal to 2 by the mathematical. 2 means no option will be repeated. N is equal to 1 we can take means option will be, chance is there for repeating. For n is equal to 2 we can take means no question of option is repeated. Okay, na? Right. So understand? So verification. Yes, we can take 3, no doubt. We can take 3, 4. But 3 we can take means problem will become as a calculation part is the long. That's why we take 2. Okay, na? Right. So 178, everyone see 72. Is it clear? 72. So now 9 you have to be cancelled. 9 times 9. What is the 8? So everyone is the clear, everyone? So 96 is the required. Everyone check the problem is the, so 88 plus 8 again. So 928. So this is a 10 cube. Sorry, not 100, 1000. Sorry, 1000. So now we are going to put 1000 minus 1000 minus 28. 1000 minus 28. Subtract. Now what is the value we can see? So everyone see the value. So 81,000 minus 28. So this is the value. 28 we can subtract. Here is the 2. Here is the 7. Here is the 9. 972. 8 by 81 into 972. Is it clear? So now we can cancel. Very good. 972. Abhay, right? So 81 12 times. 81 12 times is the 972. 12 into 8 is the 96. Therefore, we get the same answer from the third option. We take the third option. For JE, we can follow this method. We don't go through the long procedure. Okay, na? Verification. No, sir, I will practice the long procedure only. I will do fastly means we can do the fastly. No objection. Okay, na? Right. I go through the fourth problem. Everyone see the fourth problem? Everyone see the fourth problem? So not getting, sir. Rani, what is not getting, Amma? N is equal to 2, substitution for verification. Option places, we put N is equal to 2. For third option, I take the first option value, second option value, we can check, Amma. Rani, we can check. So first option value, second option value, third option value can check. Third option we get. Okay, now clear? Right. In every option we should put n is equal to, sir, yes, Nichal. In every option we can put n is equal to 2. Where we are getting the 96, that option we can be T. Okay, na? Yes, sir, clear. All right. Fourth problem, everyone see. Fourth problem, everyone see. Here, fourth problem is, one time verify 7.956 is there. Multiply with 10, what happens? Tell me. Multiply with 10, what happens? 1 point is, 7 point, right. It will become as a 7, 9. 1 point is extended. Okay, na? 1 point is extended. Clear? Very good. So now this point is, understand everyone? Right, see the. Now see the point is. Now come to the problem, fourth one. A, B, C are the digits. Then rational number represented by 0 point. After point we have 0 point. After point we have numbers in the C, A, B, again A, B, again A, B. So after point we have the number C, A, B, A, B, A, B. It is going on up to how many terms is that? Infinite terms is given. Infinite terms is given. Okay, na? This is the problem. 0 point. After point, we have the C number, we have the A number, we have the B number, again A point number, B number, A number, B number, up to infinite we have. So this problem, I am going to let it be as a X. Okay, na? First this is, I am going to let it be as a X. Everyone see in our material 0 point C. I am going to let it be as a X. Is it clear? Multiply with 10. Multiply with 10. Point will be extended. So multiply with 10. 10x is equal to C point AB. C point AB. Next AB. Next AB. And going on up to infinite. Is it clear? Any doubt? By the multiplication of 10, 1 point is extended. By the multiplication of 10, 1 point is extended. Is it clear, everyone? Okay, now clear now? Next, the same problem, this multiply with 100. So not getting Nichal. Decimal points. Nichal decimal point. Decimal 7.952 is there. Multiply with the 10, what happens? Multiply with the 10. So by the multiplication of 10, what happens? 1 point is extended. That is the 79.52. 79. Multiply with one more 10. Multiply with one more 10. 795.2. Okay, na? So this is the decimal point system. Everyone understand the decimal point system? So in the same way, I will multiply with 10. So it extended the 1 point. It extended the 1 point. So if we come to the before of C, It comes to the before of C. Is it clear? Next, multiply with 100. It will become as a multiply with 100 for this above. 1000x 1000x is equal to 2 points is extended. 2 points is extended. CAB point AB up to infinite terms. AB up to infinite term. This is the first equation. This is the second equation. This is the third equation. In material we can see first equation, second equation, third equation. Is it clear? So third equation minus second equation subtract. Third equation minus second equation. Third equation minus second equation. These two subtract. These two subtract. What happens? 1000x minus 10x. How x is common? 1000 minus 10 into x. 1000 minus 10 into x. Is it clear, everyone? So ABs are multiply with each other. Sorry, yes, ABs are multiply with each other, but it is after decimal. It is after decimal points. Okay, na? AB are all are in decimal points only. Okay, na? Right. In this one, these ABs are cancelled. This part, this AB up to infinite is cancelled. What is the remaining is CAB minus C. CAB minus C. Is it clear? CAB minus C is clear, everyone? Right, 990x is equal to 990x is equal to right, everyone see. Here is what is the given point is, everyone observe. 990, here is the 10A. Now we are going to see. Problem is right. Now we are going to write 990C minus CAB minus C. It is clear, everyone? 990 CAB minus C. Next, I go through the everyone C. CAB 100C. 99C. 3 minus 2. One time observe, everyone. One time observe. Here is everyone observe. 100C plus 10A plus B minus C. CAB term is what is the given CAB is put place values are right. Everyone see place values you can write down CAB minus C. CAB minus C, everyone write down. So here is 990 CAB minus C. Is it clear? Next one, we have to write CAB minus C is clear. Here is CAB 99, 100 plus C, 100A plus C, 100. Okay. C plus 10A plus B minus C. CAB, right? CAB place is write down. CAB place is write down. 100 place you can be put. So CAB mean A is the unit place, B is the 10th place. CAB can be take 100C plus 10A plus B minus C and then subtract. So here is write down CAB means write down. So CAB should be write down. Everyone 100C CAB place write down. C990X plus CAB. C is multiplied with 100 10C plus 10A plus B minus C. Right, subtract. C is the 100th place, A is the 10th place, B is the unit place. Okay na? So right, everyone observe, right, simplify. 100C minus C can be write down 990X is equal to 99C plus 10A plus B. Right, now write down the X value. So now what is the X value should be represent, everyone clear? X is equal to should be write down. X should be write down, everyone. Right. Next I go through the fifth problem. Everyone, we can see fifth problem. Option 4, right? Mitchell, option 4 is the correct. Everyone see the fifth problem today. This problem is sum of the enterums is required, Sn is required. Sum of the enterums is required, Sn is required. Problem C, 5 by 2 plus 9 by 4 plus 17 by 8 plus 33 by 16 up to n terms. Up to n terms. Okay, na? Up to n terms. Right, everyone see. This problem is, I am go through the first one. You have to observe this is not in arithmetic progression because of difference of next number and before number is not a same. These two differences 9 by 4 minus 5 by 2 difference is 9 minus 10 by 4. Its value is the minus 1 by 4. These two differences see. These two differences see. 17 by 8 minus 9 by 4. LCM is 8. 17 minus 18 minus 1 by 8. These two are not equal. These two are not equal. Therefore, it is not in AP. Next number minus before number value is the minus 1 by 4. Next number minus before number value is the minus 1 by 8. Different values are getting, therefore not in AP. Throughout the series is the same number, difference is the same, then only it is AP. First AP is failed. GP we can see. It is multiplied by same number. It is not multiplied by the same number. Here is the 1 by 4. Here is the 1 by different numbers. What is the multiplication? You don't know. Therefore, it is neither in AP nor in GP. Okay, na? Neither in AP nor in GP. Understand this point is, everyone? So, difference of the next number minus before number is the minus 1 by 4. These two numbers difference is, these two numbers the minus 1 by 8, difference is not same, therefore it is not in AP. Multiplication, what number is multiplication? So no common number is not multiplied because of 9 by 4 by 5 by 2. Its value is 9 by 4 and 2 by 5. This is equal to 9 by 10. Now see, 17 by 8 by 9 by 4. This is the 17 by 8 into 4 by 9. This is the 17 by 18. Different values are getting. Therefore, common ratio is not a same. Common difference is not a same. Common ratio is not a same. Neither in AP nor in GP. Then what method we can apply? Both it is not in neither AP. It is not in GP. Therefore, what method we are going to apply? Now see the logic is. See, 4 plus 1 by 2. 8 plus 1 by 2, 16 plus 1 by 2, and 32 plus 1 by 2. Now we can write down this series is completely understand. It is the 4 plus 1 by 2, 9, 8 plus 1 by 4. I will separate. Everyone see, hint of the problem is, first I will write 5, 4 plus 1 by 2. Next, 8 plus 1 by 4 plus 16 plus 1 by 8 plus 32 plus 1 by 16 and so on. Okay, right? And so on. Now separate. 4 by 2 is the 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 8 by 4 is the 2 plus 1 by 4 plus 2 plus 1 by 8. Next, 2 plus 1 by 16. And so on, going on up to n terms. Separate 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus n times. 2 plus 2 plus 2 n terms. N terms. Okay. Next, now write down. One more bracket is 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 8 plus 1 by 16 up to n terms. Up to n terms. Is it clear? Up to n terms. 2 is repeated n times. 2 is added n times. Therefore, it will become as a 2n plus. This is a GP series. Now see, 1 by 4 by 1 by 2. 1 by 4 by 1 by 2 is the 1 by 2. 1 by 8 by 1 by 4 is the 1 by 2. 1 by 16 by 1 by 8 is the 1 by 2. Throughout the series, common ratio is the same. GP series, SN formula. So first A value is equal to 1 by 2. R value is equal to 1 by 2. A value starting number is the 1 by 2. Common ratio is the 1 by 2. SN formula write down. So A is 1 by 2. A is 1 by 2. Is it clear, everyone? A is 1 by 2. Right. A is 1 by 2. A 1 minus R. 1 by 2 to the power of n. 1 by 2 to the power of n. Yes, sir. Clear. Okay, na? 1 by n to the power of n by 1 minus r. By 1 minus r. 1 minus 1 by 2. SN formula. A into 1 minus r to the power of n by 1 minus r. SN formula. Okay, now this is the SN formula I will write here. Simplify, everyone. Nitin, wait a minute. Okay, click करना. Okay. Right, see. Everyone see. So here, now write down the answer is 2n plus 1 by 2, 1 by 2 cancel, 1 by 2, 1 by 2 cancel. So what is the answer is 1 minus 1 by 2 power of n is the required answer. Okay, na? Right, next problem. Everyone go through the sixth problem. I am going to write sixth problem. Everyone see, sixth problem is. Everyone see the sixth problem. Right. Right. Clear. Right. Everyone. Abide. Okay, everyone see sixth problem. logarithm problem 0.36 to the power of logarithm of base is 0.25. Logarithm of base is 0.25. Okay na? 0.25. So clear? It is clear na? Right, I will write down side, everyone see. Now see, sixth problem, 0.36 to the power of log base is 0.25, number is 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3 square plus 1 by 3 cube up to infinite numbers. Up to infinite numbers. Okay na? Up to infinite numbers. Everyone see, this problem is up to infinite numbers. Everyone see, this problem is, first I go through the 0.6 whole square. This is the into log of, so this is the whole square in log of 0.5 square, 0.5 square. This is the GP series, okay na? So GP infinite terms, a by 1 minus r, a by 1 minus r, a value 1 by 3, r value also 1 by 3, a value 1 by 3, r is next number by before number is the 1 by 3, a value also 1 by 3, r value also 1 by 3. Here is a by 1 minus r, 1 by 3, a by 1 minus r, that is the 1 by 3. Right, next one is 0.6 to the power of 2 into log 1 by 3 by 1 by 3 by, right, 1 by 3 by, this is the 2 by 3 basis. What is the basis? 0.5 square. 0.5 square. Is it clear, everyone? Right. Next one is 3 cancel. It will become as a 1 by 2. 0.6. 2 times of log 1 by 2 basis. 0.5 means 1 by 2 square. 1 by 2. 0.5 means 1 by 2. It have a square. Any number multiply the log, it comes the power of the number. Any number multiply the log, it comes before power of the number. 2 will become as a power of this number. 2 will become as a power of this number. Therefore, 0.6 log of 1 by 2 whole square, base also 1 by 2 whole square. Okay na? So in logarithm, both are equal, its value is 1. In logarithm, both are equal. Here you see. So n log m base a is equal to log of m power of n base a. Next one point. Second one is logarithm of number and base both are equal, its value is 1. Logarithm of number and base both are equal, its value is 1. This is any number is the multiplicative of log, it is the power of log. Now both are equal, its value is 1. Therefore 0.6 whole power of 1, its answer is 0.6. Okay, clear everyone? It is clear everyone? Yes, sir. Okay. Okay. Clear, sir. Right. I'll go through the seventh problem. Everyone see the seventh problem? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Clear, sir. Right. Everyone go through the seventh problem. Right. I go through the seventh problem. See, seventh problem, everyone. Seventh problem is A into AB, A into A plus B. Next, A square into A square plus B square, A square into A square plus B square, A cube into A cube plus B cube, up to infinite numbers. Up to infinite numbers. Right. Everyone start this problem. Everyone start this problem. Multiply. First open the brackets. Open the brackets, everyone. A into A square plus AB. A into A square plus AB. Next, open with A square into A square, A power of 4 plus A square B square. Next, open the bracket. A power of 6, A power of 6 plus A cube B cube. And so on infinite terms. And so on infinite terms. Okay, single A terms as a one group, single A terms as a one group. So that is A square plus A power of 4 plus A power of 6 up to infinite terms one group. Single A terms are one group. AB terms are one more group. AB terms are one more group. That is the AB. Next, A square B square, AB whole square. Next.